this one is to Bean. That's you. That's your grandpa. No, that is Bean. There's Monkey. Okay. It says, Bean, I love you so. Merry Christmas, Granddad. Okay. Alright, you want to pull on the ribbon? You want to pull on the ribbon? Does the ribbon pull? Or does it just come off? I think that it just comes off. How about this one? You want to pull that? Cut it all off. Good job, Dad. Okay, how about right here? Hey, let's take the ribbon. I'll put the ribbon over here, okay?
Good job.
Good job, Henry.
Oh, what is it?
Oh, Henry.
Oh,
Some blocks, baby.
yay!
You needed some blocks.
Yay!
Just keep on carrying it until you get the tape off.
That is very fun. You don't have one of those. What a good grandpa.
Oh, now you can learn about shapes and
Oh.
stuff, baby.
Look at that. Look at
Where does
that.
that one go? Where does that one go? Does it go right here?
Yay!
Yay for Ellie!
Good job.
Oh, where does that one go, Ben? Where does this one go? Does it go right here? Does it go right here? That one, right there. Is that where that one goes? Yeah.
Good job.
Good job, Ellie. Where does this one go? Where does this one go? How about right there? Can you put that right there? Does that go right there, Ben? Is that a square? Is that a square? Are you putting your hand in? What about the block? Yay for it!
Yay!
Oh, you have another one like that? What about right there? What about right there?
Okay, say thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa. Where's your smiles this morning?
There's
Where's your
no smiles
smiles?
today? No smiles today?
Concentrating too much on the toy? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Grandpa. Love you. Bye-bye.
That's cool.